All right, time to take a look at the Syncwire phone ring holder. Okay, so we got instructions, we got a wet wipe, we get our 3M adhesive. This is VHB, this is very good stuff. This is gonna stick no problem. And then we got the ring itself. Oh, it actually has some on there already. Although it would be quite a challenge to get this off. Do have the capacity to do that. So this is stiffer than I was expecting it to be. You can kind of swivel it so you can rotate it there while it's on the phone. But that's actually a good thing. So that's going to make it so if you do want to use this as a kickstand, you can just set it on there. You don't have to worry about it just spinning and then dropping the phone. So we can get that in the orientation that we want it and then use that to hold our phone. Oh, that is cool. That actually has a very nice look to it. Now what I'm going to use this for is my Walabot. This is a wall scanner, and I asked them about this. They said this is actually designed to be a grip so that you can slide it up and down the wall, but you don't really get a lot of grip on that. So I think this is going to be a perfect scenario to use that ring. So I'm going to clean this off. Should be fairly clean, but just want to make sure. And stick that on. And it says to press for 10 seconds. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that feels much more secure. I'm very happy with that. So overall, that is a great little ring.